Stop Googling. Perplexity AI gives you real answers with sources in seconds. Most people still treat Google like it's the only option. Type something in, get a wall of ads and links, click around for 10 minutes, still not sure what's true. Perplexity AI works differently. It's a free AI search engine, meaning it reads the web for you and hands you a direct answer with the actual sources right there so you can verify it yourself. No digging, no guessing. I used it every day for a week. Stuff like, what's the difference between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA? Is this ingredient in my shampoo actually bad? What does this clause in my lease actually mean? Every time it came back with a clean, clear answer in about 5 seconds. And it cited where it got the information. That part matters. You're not just trusting a machine, you're seeing exactly where it pulled from. The thing that surprised me most was how much time I stopped wasting. Before, a question like, should I take vitamin D with food or without, would send me down a rabbit hole of contradictory blog posts. With Perplexity, I typed it, got a clear answer, moved on with my life. You can follow up too. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future posts one of these every day. But back to it, you can ask a follow-up question right in the same conversation. It remembers the context. So I asked about vitamin D, then asked, what about magnesium? Same rule. And it just answered. No starting over. It's free. There's a paid version, but honestly the free tier handled everything I threw at it. Here's what I actually walked away with after a week. Most of the time we spend researching is just wandering. Perplexity cuts that wandering in half at least. Try it on one real question today. Something you've been meaning to look up. See how it feels. Next video is about ChatGPT versus Perplexity, head to head. Worth watching before you pick one. If this was useful, hit the like. It genuinely helps more people find it.